Hinton. I'm Kai.
I'm Sun.
And we're KJS. You guys must be wondering why we're standing. Well, today is the start of our new dance series. Yay! We're gonna tell you what it is. Today, what are we doing?
We are doing a dance. Not a cover, but like...
We are gonna be doing a cover.
Yeah, we will.
But we thought that in this dance series, we will record the process of us learning it so that you guys can watch us look like idiots.
Fail.
Yes, and fail.
Yeah.
And as you can tell in the title box down below, we're gonna be dancing to Red Velvet's Happiness. And yeah, we never tried learning the dance before. Like, we're just gonna try copying them.
Yeah.
So, have fun.
We've never actually...
This is like... for entertainment.
Alright. Let's get started.
And it's 100 degrees
in
Vegas right now. We're dying. It's hot, but we're still working.
Yeah.
Sorry.
For you.
Entertainment. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna dance with this. Ready? Okay.
I'm gonna dance with this.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Begin.
Ready?
Okay.
Oh. Okay.
Oh my god, no, this part. Okay. Oh my god, what did she just do with her feet? Hippos. Oh! I'm tired.
Okay.
Thank you for watching. Hope you had a good laugh from this. Subscribe, like the video, and please anticipate for our first dance cover. I'm tired.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, I'm gonna take